we are going to demonstrate a mobile charging timer circuit that we have built. It charges a mobile phone for a user-defined duration and displays this elapsed time. The charging stops automatically when the countdown reaches the time set by the user. Generally, a timer can be used in 3 different modes, but in this circuit, we are using it in 2 different modes with 2 different counters. The first timer is monostable, which means the output is high for a certain duration and low for the rest of the duration. The high value depends on the capacitance C and resistance R used such that the capacitance value is 470 microfarads and the resistance value depends on the potentiometer we are using. In this circuit, we are using a 1 mega ohm potentiometer. The capacitance value and the resistance value change the timer based on the equation 1.1 RC. The second timer is astable. It depends on the reset pin. It generates clock of required frequency. For our circuit, we need a frequency of 1 Hz since we are counting the time. As long as the output of the first timer is high, we need to keep generating the clock of the second timer. So for this to happen, we connect the output of the first timer to the reset of the second timer. We used a decay counter with inbuilt 7-segment display driver CD4026 since we are not using a microcontroller. Since 1 minute has only 60 seconds, we need the tens digit of the timer to go up to only 6 and the hundredths digit represents the minute, which goes till 9. We used AND, OR and NOT gates to set up the logic required for this. We also have a relay module which has VCC, ground and trigger, which acts like a switch. When trigger is low, the phone charges and it stops charging when it becomes high. When the output of the first timer is high, for the phone to charge, we need the trigger pin to be low. So we NOT the output of this timer and give it to the trigger pin. This is our demonstration setup. This is the potentiometer. We have set the resistance to be around 84 kilo ohms. According to the timer equation 1.1 RC, our capacitance value is 470 microfarad. So the theoretical time for charging should be around 48 seconds. Now when this green LED over here blinks to denote the second timer and the red LED denotes the first timer, and these will keep changing according to the time and the phone will get charged once we start the circuit.